Hello and welcome back to tazwells12. You're on my YouTube channel, which is tazwells12, and I am the host to Well. Today is going to be a makeup review testing tutorial video and maybe a little bit of a dupe. But before I get into the product and show you what I'm going to actually review, testing and tutorial on, I just want to go through the nitty gritty stuff first, which is if you like the video, the advice or anything in this video, like the product, what I'm like showing you, let me know by giving it a massive thumbs up. You can do that by clicking that thumbs up. Please subscribe to tazwells12. You can do that by signing up to YouTube for absolutely free, then going on my main page. At the top there's a clickable button that says subscribe. Click that and then you will be subscribed to my YouTube channel, all my videos and the Love family. And also on there too is a bell notification. If you want to be notified of when I've uploaded a new video, hit that bell notification and it will notify you. Comment down below if you like anything in the video, like feedback, if you like the video in general, then let me know down below and I will 100% comment back to you and like comment every single time. The video is not sponsored by any of the brands that I am or going to mention. This is just out of my own money, what I saw. It was a dupe for something that I was originally going to buy, but the shades were sold out in the original form. I've had to buy the dupe, but that's all good. Sponsored in anyway. Check out my other social medias, which is 2 on Instagram. So you have tazwells12 and tazwells12 home. Check, like, follow, comment, whatever you like to do, please, that'd be great. Now enough rambling, let's get into the makeup review testing tutorial video. The product that we're going to review today is this product. I know this product has been going around TikTok, YouTube, like everywhere. Crazy. And I've only just got my hands like on it. The one time I went to check before, literally there was only dark shades. I don't think there was any shades at all actually. Then I found this one. This is Collection's Gorgeous Glow Filter Finish Complexion Boosting Primer and Illuminator. Oh, it's in the shade Fair / Medium 2, so I could only find like the one up. I probably would have picked the light one up as well, just for the comparison, just to see if they were any different. So if I do go anywhere else and I do love this, I might have to pick the light one up as well. This is a multi-use illuminator, primer and skin perfector. So there's 3 uses. It gives a soft focus dimension used under foundation. You dot and blend onto the cheek, highlight point of the face as a highlighter, or wear it on its own for suitable all over glow. There's 30 ml in here. I've been wanting to try this. I've been loving a really dewy, illuminating foundation look like the past couple of months basically. When I saw this was a dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter that I did go to buy because I had a voucher and I was going to try it, but there was no shades. No shades available, and it was all like the darker ones, or there was a pinky tone. No, not in my days. So I found this in Boots for £6.99. I had it on my little list when I went shopping and I thought if it's in there I'll get it, if it's not I'll look for it again. But it was this time, so I'm really happy because this is a really good time that I can try it as well, because I maybe looking to maybe take this on holiday, because it's just one of them things that I could just whack on for the day and it still looks really nice. I'm gonna stop rambling, but I just want to say one more thing before I start putting my hair up, is the fact that I'm gonna slip down my face. So basically I'm gonna put this on half of my face on its own, see what it's like, and then put this on the other half and then put foundation over it and see what it's like and see what the comparison is of the two and how good it is as a product. I'm going to clip my hair up and I'll be back in. I think what I'm going to do is put it on this side on its own. What I'm probably going to do is probably put it all over my face, and then this side we can talk about, and then what I would do is put a foundation on. So what I'm going to do with this side is just put this on. I think it's got an applicator in it, and then I'm going to use this Eco Tools. It is a seamless stippling tiny little brush. I haven't used this. I got it from, I think I got it from Home Bargains a good while ago, because I've got a big stippling brush. I don't know where it is, it's probably in a different pot, but I wanted a tiny one, and I'm going to do it this and see what it's like on the face with this stippling brush, because this is like dense but it's soft, if that makes sense. And then on this side I'm going to use my good old trusty Primark foundation brush that I've got absolutely loads of. Like, love these to death. They're cheap as, I don't know if they do them anymore, I think they still do. These are really good brushes. And then I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation in soft beige, and this is a light to medium sort of one, and there's 30 ml here. I think I've reviewed, testing, tutorial this on its own, so I'll try and stick it below. And I really like this foundation, it's a really nice one, and I think they've brought a glowy one out of this recently from there. But let's get into the product, let's get it on my face. That would be good. I'm gonna open the bottle. The bottle is all glass, and this is plastic, by the way, so really bougie for Collection. And I think Collection are bringing their game up. Like, Collection did at one point, I feel, went very down. Some really good products, but if you were going into a store like Superdrug or something, I wouldn't look personally for Collection, but at the moment they're giving some really good products. So it comes with like an applicator like that, and then I'm just gonna dot it all, like all over my skin. I'll do one side first because I don't know how like it's gonna work or how much I actually need. There's like a funny scent to it, if you want to know that. It's like, I can't explain it. So we're just gonna buff it in with this stippling brush. I'll try and not go like over. Oh, there's a glow already. Nice. Well, this is like a 2-in-1 as well, because it's like a primer. Really good. Because you really want that 2-in-1 sometimes. Like, you don't want to put a primer on and then this on, but sometimes you have to. Like, sometimes I use my like Milk makeup, and that's gorgeous. Like, can you see like that shine in my ring light? I don't think I've put enough down here, so I'm gonna put a little bit more. I want to give it a good testing, because I want to know if I definitely like want to take this. It's buffing in really lovely, so that's a good thing. But yeah, I think if I use this like on its own, or I'd have to, like, the glow is lovely. Like, there is, I can see where the corrector is, because you can see the difference. It's not took all my redness out, but it's definitely like made to be even, if that makes sense. This brush is really soft and really well, but what I'd probably have to do is I probably would have to put a little bit of powder under my eyes if I was going out for the day, because my face does get a little bit oily, so you could then get to the point where it's mixing with oil and sweat and everything else gross, and then you don't know where the glow is or what it is. But so far there's no glow there, but there's a lovely glow there, so that's good. So that side done really well. So let's just put it on the other side. I want a good amount like I had before, and just go wherever I can. I can see why people are picking this up though, because it is very like dupey. This is very dupey. I'm just going to buff it with this brush again, just so we make like an even sort of thing, and then I'll go with the foundation one. But it is a lovely glow. It's really, really nice actually. It's really like soft on the skin. it's actually a genuinely nice product, and this brush is like really helpful. But like I said, if I wore it on its own, I may have to put a little bit of powder because it is making me look a little bit like, there's shine, you can see there's shine, there's more shine than there was, but like could look a bit greasy. That's lovely, that's all blended in, so that's great. So now what we're gonna do is go for the foundation this side. I've kind of picked a light to medium cover foundation because you want to see the glow come through. Hopefully I don't shove a lot of this on, it will look really nice. I have got like foundations where they're already like a bit luminous, but if you want to use like a, oh, that didn't work. But if you want to really like use a foundation that you love and you know that works for you all the time, this is really well. And that one isn't luminous, it will kind of help you. I'll go with my nose first, but right, okay, let's go over it now. So we'll just dab, because dabbing is always like good. Take a good dab around. And then I'll kind of give my verdict when I've dabbed most of this in to see if it has like done well. I try and not like brush stroke it in, if that makes sense, because I feel like I do some areas like down my neck, but like on my face I try and dab it in because it kind of a little bit funny, if that makes sense. I dabbed it in, which I kind of like. It hasn't mixed, hasn't gone cakey, which is really nice. So there is that glow there and that sort of moisture. And now, wow, look, you see that like pop in when I go across. I don't know what it'd be like under a really full coverage foundation, but you can see the difference when that foundation's made on my face. Foundation's great, by the way, I love the foundation, but my face is popping. My face is popping. What I'm gonna do now, as I thought we'd do a little bit of extra, if we get a little bit, because it says to highlight the points of your face, we put highlighter. Do a little bit like that, maybe a little bit here, my nose, and then what we're going to do is just gently blend that in. Oh yeah, you can see it is working, it's great. Like, just give it a little dab like that, like what you do like a highlighter. Oh yes, that is popping. Like, that made that even pop even more, that bit. You can see like now, like I've made it pop. Oh, this product is great. it's genuinely great. I thought it was going to be, and now I've tested it. I'm even happy with the shade. Like I said, I would try the one lower as well, like if I could get hold of it, so I would have got both, but unfortunately I only had this one. But I'm pretty happy with this. Like, I can work with that. I can work with that. That's nice. I like my hair down, and then we can give it a massive rating. I'm back now. So I've kind of left it how I did it. So obviously this is the side where it's just normal. Like I said, I might have to, if I use that like on its own or with like foundation, I'd have to do a little bit of powder in, just like probably under my under eye and like on my lid, just and where my nose is, because that's the places I get the oiliest. Beautiful. This is the side with the foundation, so you obviously could see this is the general glow like from under the foundation, and this is where I like put it on like, and it's popped like more. My rating of the collection Gorgeous Glow Fill to Finish Complexion Boosting Primer Illuminator in fair/medium 2 is a 100%, 1000% thumbs up, because this is gorgeous. It's a gorgeous product. It feels lovely on the face. Like, it's a primer. It's like, you can use it on its own, you can put it under foundation, you can use it as highlighter. I love the fact that it has so many things that you can use it with, and this one product would just be great. Really happy with this. Super happy with this. This may have to come on holiday with me because I do like this, so I might have to rearrange my makeup bag for holiday because I do generally like it, and it is a massive thumbs up. Just want to say quick before we end, I did love this little stippling brush, so that is great. I think it went really well with this product. If you ever find like a Eco Tools stippling brush and you want that like natural look, definitely get this Eco Tools one. I got it from like Home Bargains quite a long ago, but they do brushes and stuff all in there all the time, so definitely keep looking. The end of the makeup review testing tutorial video on the collection Gorgeous Glow Fill to Finish Complexion Boosting Primer and Illuminator in fair/medium 2, and my rating was a massive thumbs up. I love it. It's a essential and everyday essential, or yeah, pretty much. But like I said, it's come to the end. Please, if you like the video in any sort of way, my advice, how I did the tutorial, how I did all 3 steps in one video, let me know by giving it a massive thumbs up, because it tells me what you want to see, it tells me what you like. More people can see it and other people can like it, so definitely give it a massive thumbs up. Subscribe to tazwells12, that'd be great. You can join. I know a load of you have been joining, so that's fabulous. You can do that by hitting the subscribe button on my main page, and then the bell notification if you want to be notified of the newest video. Comment down below if you have anything good to say or nice, and feedback, let me know down below. I will 100% comment back to you and like the comment every single time. The video is not sponsored by any of the brands I did mention. I just saw this, someone had picked it up, tried it. I wanted to do exactly the same for you guys. That is nothing, there's nothing into this video. I brought it out my own money, it's not sponsored. Check out my other 2 social medias, which is on Instagram, tazwells12 and tazwells12 home. Check, like, follow, comment, whatever you like to do, please, that'd be great. Unfortunately, this is the end of the video. I hope you've enjoyed watching it, or the advice, or anything in the video, or if you've seen, this is your first time seeing this product, good little review. Thank you for watching, thank you for supporting as always. Take care, have a lovely day or evening, and I'll see you soon, guys. Bye.